So let's say you want to go ahead and assign up the form to someone else and keep track of whether they have filled up the form or not. So for that, you can actually go around over here onto Publish, and then over here on the left hand side, you can see Assign Form. So you can actually go ahead and copy out the link, and then that person will be assigned. But apart from that, what you can also do is you can go ahead and enter out the email address of the person right here that you want to go ahead and assign this to. Let's say I'm going to say tutortubechannel3@gmail.com right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and say something like, please fill out the form. So if they were to actually receive the assigned link, then the email address will be automatically recorded. So they will have to fill up the form. So once you actually go ahead and send them out, they will receive an email. The email will be something like this. It says TutorTube form has been assigned to you right here. And it says message from the TutorTube is please fill out the form right here. So let me just go ahead and view the form now. And then what happens is that you can see that right now this person has been assigned, and you can see that this is pending and this user is pending as well. So now I can go ahead and let me just go ahead and fill up some random details right here in the form and then submit it out. So this is what you have. Let's just go ahead and submit it out right here. Let's just go ahead and submit. So once you do that, you get the thank you message right here just like this. And if I were to go around over here, you don't really see like it says submit or anything. But if I were to go ahead and refresh this out right here and then go to assign, and if I were to go around over here, you can see that this user joined on 3rd April right here, and last submission on the form was this. So you can see that you can go ahead and then send them a reminder email as well. You can even go ahead and view the submissions now to see what they actually submitted as well, just like this, and view the details of their submission. So that is basically how you can go ahead and assign form to others in Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.